Molly for Memories here. Whether you've been hired to plan a wedding, an anniversary or family party, or a business event, your success depends on not only pulling together all the resources that will make the event unforgettable, but also offering those extra ideas before, during, and after the event that will help you to stand out and grow your business. We can offer you and your clients new services that, as a media storyteller and photo organizer, I can help you provide services that will enhance your clients' and guests' experience during the event, provide more ways to remember the event, and even provide great services after the event, all while making you look fantastic. What my team does is act as a memories coordinator, pulling together any professional photography, photos and video taken by guests, and even existing photos and other memorabilia that is special to the client and will help to tell their story through custom designed albums, video Fusion Slideshows, or gorgeous photo wall art. Let's take a quick peek at how we manage these different resources. I'm sure that you've observed that due to the prevalence of the smartphone, it seems like everyone is an amateur photographer and videographer, and at any special occasion they're snapping and recording away. And while these pics might not always be the quality of those taken by a professional photographer, guest pics often capture candid moments that clients increasingly want to either be included in their memories of the event or even replace the services of a professional photographer or videographer. We've developed a streamlined process that gathers all the photos and video clips, winnows them down, and then edits them so that they look their best. But whether it's the photos and video clips from the event itself, or the photos and other memorabilia from before the event, we can provide editing options that most photographers don't even offer, such as background replacements. Whether you need to remove just some background distractions or replace a background totally, we can take care of it. Or recomposing group photos, where if we have several shots of the same group, we can take the best shot of each individual person and build a composite photo so that no one's eyes are closed, everyone looks their best, or perhaps add a missing person to the group. From this collection of media, we can create output to enhance the experience during and after the event while providing great memories of the event that are customized and, well, memorable, such as albums. Now, if your client is hiring a photographer, most will offer album packages bundled with their photography. But keep in mind that these albums only include the photos that they take, and they're only of the event itself. If your photographer would rather be able to concentrate on their photography, or your clients would like some other choices and additional options, we can help. We're expert at designing albums using all available photos and provide efficient online proofing for your clients. We work with the top print labs available only to professionals, and from this pool, we've scoped out the album lines that provide the very best quality per dollar spent. We can also design other albums to be used and enjoyed before or during the event, such as a very personalized guest book. For instance, in this wedding guest book, we included childhood photos of the bride and groom and prompting questions to encourage written messages from guests. Or save the date cards, invitations, and place cards. With your photos, we can turn ordinary printed material into truly customized pieces. You can get more information on our custom designed albums at your Memories at Hand and flip through samples in the album gallery. Or how about incorporating the collected photos, video clips, and memorabilia into a video Fusion slideshow? Our Fusion videos take the best of the photos and video clips and combine them with music to make memories that are far more powerful than any media seen by itself. In addition, our experience is that by incorporating video clips of important moments taken by guests, it often eliminates the need for a separate videographer. A video Fusion show also makes fantastic entertainment or a moving tribute at an event. Some examples are anniversary parties where the show relives the couple's years together, before a wedding ceremony or during the cocktail hour showing the couple's courtship, or at a memorial celebrating the loved one's life with moments that truly represent them. You can get more information on our video fusion shows at Your Memories at Hand, as well as see sample clips in the Fusion Show Gallery. And don't forget custom designed wall art, which gives the client a beautiful way to showcase their best photos of their occasion on a variety of high quality medium. You can get more information about our different photo wall art options at Your Memories at Hand, as well as look at samples in the wall art gallery. Finally, if your client is planning on traveling after the event, perhaps a honeymoon or an anniversary trip, I've got one last idea for you, and that is this: vacation memories made simple. You see, the thing about vacations is that we love to take photos and video. After all, if a trip is valuable, we sure want to capture the most special moments. The problem is when we get home. We go back to work, we get busy, and our captured memories of that special trip, they sit on our phones, or at best, they will get transferred to a backup drive, rarely to be seen again. We've developed a process for our traveling clients that transforms that mass of photos and video into an album, video fusion show, or even a gorgeous piece of photo wall art. The best part? The work of editing and designing can be getting done while our clients are still enjoying their vacation, so that very soon after they get home, their memories are ready to share and enjoy. Karl Lagerfeld has said that a photo captures a moment that is gone forever, impossible to reproduce. We hope you'll connect with us because while we're in the business of turning those captured moments into memories that will last forever, our clients are always looking for someone like you who can plan new ones. You can connect with us at Your Memories at Hand, on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn, and on Pinterest. The events you plan for your clients are full of stories. We look forward to helping you to help them preserve, enjoy, and share them.